What's up, guys? Purple Haze here. Just got my MLA installed. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. And it's moment of truth time. Time to start the car. See if I, for one, got the correct wire. And for two, what my voltage is like. So I got my meters on. Let's just set the camera down. You can see the meters. And let's get it. Oh, that's not good. Hold up. There we go. Yeah, baby. Haha. Forgot for a second there that the voltmeter's remote is running off of the head unit's remote, but as you can see, man, I'm up into the 15 volt range now instead of down into the 13, and that's at 1100 RPM, or not even 1100. Yeah, baby. Tell me that ain't the shit. Well worth the money and time. Well worth it. And now let's try this out, because I got the dual voltage module in here. Now we're down around 14.6, 14.8. If I wanted to, I could leave it there for standard operation, or flip it up to the 15.5, which I think I will do. I think we'll run it on 15 plus for a while. See how the amps like it. So there you go, guys. MLA installed, working great. I'm pumped. Time to party.